Hey guys, welcome back to Airstream of Buffalo. Devin Anthony here, hanging out under the awning of this beautiful Midnight Flamingo flying cloud. Yeah, we're gonna go do a quick walkthrough of this one today. Just kind of show you some of the cool features that the Midnight Flamingo package gives you as opposed to your traditional flying cloud. Lots of cool accents, packed with some really cool features. You guys are gonna love it. First thing you're gonna notice is obviously this is gonna sit a little taller than your traditional flying cloud. This is coming from mothership with a 3-inch lift on there. So you're gonna have a lot more ground clearance as you're going on your travels. Coming around front, well, around the whole side, you're gonna notice this black belt line here instead of that chrome, right? Lots of black accents. It starts on the outside here. Instead of your traditional flying cloud emblem, you're gonna have a blacked out one. Coming around the side, up towards the front. On your rock guards, this is gonna be kind of like a truck bed liner finish on your rock guard here. You're still getting your same solar awning or solar guard, but yeah. Propane shroud, also in that same Rhino-Line material that your rock guard is in. This is going to be a 27-foot front bed queen. So you are gonna have your lockable exterior storage up front. You'll see the cord in there. That is going to be a smart plug cord, 50 amp service, because this is gonna have 2 air conditioners up top. I did order this one in with solar and lithium. So as we get inside, everything is going to be running off of those lithium batteries. Coming around the side, you're gonna have your solar awning as well. You're gonna have your hot and cold shower on the outside. Coming down next to that, your gravity fill. Pretty simple. You're gonna have your fresh water city inlet here. That is gonna be pressure regulated to 50 PSI. So no matter what, you're always gonna have the right pressure. You're not gonna under pressure or over pressurize your plumbing. You got your black tank flush to clean out all the poo after your trips. These 2 ports here, you're gonna have all of your communications hookups there. This is where your smart plug 50 amp service is gonna connect to, and that is just on 2 clips. Very easy to install it and take it out. Looking down, you're gonna see your Dexter torsion axle 3-inch lift, blacked out wheels with extra shocks to give you a very, very smooth ride going down the road. We are gonna be taking a house down the road. We wanna have it comfortable. We're gonna make sure that nothing's gonna be shifting or anything like that during travel. So this setup, this suspension setup is gonna be absolutely perfect for what we're looking to do. That's gonna be the back of your furnace. Obviously that's gonna be on the non-camp side, not where we're gonna be hanging out, but away from the camp. That way you're not burning yourself if you're hanging out on the campsite. This one is ordered in with a rear hatch, right? That rear hatch is gonna give you plenty of space. It's gonna act as a gigantic window, getting all of that cross breeze coming through. So it does have that pull down screen, as you can see, and that's just magnetic there. Because it has the hatch, it does have an extra grip right here. So non-slip on the bumper. Underneath, you got plenty of storage. This is gonna be your wet storage, right? So this is where you store anything that you don't mind getting wet. You're gonna see on the Midnight Flamingo, this is also going to be Rhino-lined on the bumper. So again, super modern, it's beautiful, it's sleek. They did a really good job with the exterior accents. Coming around the side, got a little flamingo up here. I think that's really cool on the awning itself. You're gonna have your Midnight Flamingo emblem right next to your door as well. Coming on the inside of this 27 front bed queen, we got a very spacious, entertainment stand, entertainment system, dining area. This is gonna be your dining area. You can flip down to a bed. You're also going to have a spare bed under here. So that just slides right on out. These cushions roll over. Plenty of space for the family. Or if you guys just want to, if it's just the two of you, go out and travel. Totally up to you. You got space for friends to come along as well. There's actually a lot of storage in here as well, okay? So over the rear, you're gonna have all of this overhead storage. So on this side, pure storage. Next to the door, that is going to be where all of your sound controls are, right? So the clips is going to be on here, upgraded audio. You're gonna have another outlet up here. When you're connected to the campground, you have your internet and HDMI cables on the side as well. And then you'll have your wine guard control there as well. Soft close cabinets, of course. You're gonna have storage under the bench. You're gonna have storage under here with containers. On the 27-foot, your garbage can is going to be next to the door, saving you a lot more space on your front storages here. So all of that is going to be storage. Now, all of these cabinets, they're going to be Italian light ply marine grade wood. What that means is it's going to be 25% lighter than your typical plywood that you can pick up at the store. That's going to give you a lot of extra cargo carrying capacity on the inside. When you start making those longer trips and you're bringing, everything with you, every little bit counts. So, couple key differences on the Midnight Flamingo. You're going to see blacked out solar shades. You're going to see a blacked out faucet with extension, so you can either do spray or just a regular fill. All the hardware in here is also going to be black. So on the 27-foot, you're going to have a wider drawer than the 25-footer. And you'll have all of these drawers that go down. And then a drop-down drawer at the bottom. You're also going to have a drop-down there. You're going to have a 3-burner Furion stove. So plenty of room to cook, and actually be able to live comfortably in here if that's what you wanted. Or just a nice weekend getaway. Totally up to you. Going back up here, again, you got all of this storage, plenty of storage up there. And these are all going to be on the Bloom hinges. So they're going to be soft closed. You don't even have to worry about it, right? Nice and easy. Up above me, you're going to see this filter. Now this is going to be for your first air conditioner on this model, okay? So you do have the quiet stream ducting that goes all the way the length of the coach. Now this is going to be the inlet. You can control all of these. They are unidirectional. And you can open or close them if you want, air going to one specific place. You can dial it in, or you can have them all at full blast. Lots of windows in here. Every single window has the ability to close, right? So you got your solar shades. You got your blackout curtains underneath. You got your blackout curtains in the sink, or in the kitchen. Now that's going to be very nice when it comes to sleeping in the day. You got plenty of light blocking shades. In the 27-foot, you are going to get a huge pull-out pantry, as well as extra overhead storage, right? In the 25-foot, it's a little bit narrower. You got the metal compartments. This one solid piece right there, all pocket screwed as well, right? You're not going to have anything stapled together in here. It's all going to be pocket screwed. Inside, you'll see a large fridge for plenty of food storage that you're bringing with you. That is going to be a Norcold 12-volt fridge, so that's going to run right off your batteries. Inside, coming back further, you've got a giant double door wardrobe. Moving up, further down into the trailer, you've got a nice workable shower, adjustable shower head. You've got a clothes hanger line there. This is all going to be a fiberglass shower inside here. So this tub is all one piece. It's a nice shower. You know what's really cool? Everything inside this trailer comes right through that front door. Okay, so when it comes to maintenance and taking care of it, if anything ever does happen and needs to get replaced, it all goes in right through that front door. It saves you a lot of time. You don't got to worry about, you know, anything, you know, not fitting in or being able to be replaced. During manufacture, comes right in that front door. In the bathroom here, you are going to have quite a bit of usable space, right? Storage underneath there. My drawers are backwards, but storage there with sliding doors. Again, that common theme throughout here, all blacked out, right? So blacked out towel bar. You got your hook for your hand towel. That's all blacked out. Very sleek, very modern. I love it. Plenty of space in your overhead cabinet as well for all your medicine, toothbrushes, toothpaste, all your hair products, everything that you do in the bathroom, plenty of space. Up in the bedroom here, it is going to be a queen, okay? So the beauty of that is it's a very large bed. You got a ton of storage underneath, right? That is all usable storage. You can access it if you don't want the compartments there. You can access it from the side. Your lockable storage from the outside, you have access to that too from under the bed. So plenty of usable space in here. This drawer or door does drop down if you don't want to have to lift the whole bed. It's just, wow. Wow. You're going to have drawers on either side. So you have 2 nightstands, 2 GFCI outlets, right? So one on either side if you got any CPAPs or anything like that. You got USB as well as USB-C to charge your phones next to it. You get those premium speakers as well up here. You got your little reading lights as well. Those are fully articulating to get exactly the space you need. And of course, your panoramic view windows with these beautiful blackout shades. Yeah, I think they knocked it out of the park with this. If you guys want to come in and schedule a visit, please give me a call. My number is 716-748-5565. That is my personal cell phone. So please do not call me after 10 p.m. because I'm probably not going to answer. I'm going to be sleeping. But I really look forward to meeting you guys. Come on in, give me a ring. Thanks.